Whatever happens, your partner is going to be going through moments of impulsivity where they feel like they are on top of the world, and then the next day, they may receive a bad review on their business website, leaving them feeling low, and as though they are working towards nothing. This depends on the person's personality, of course, as some may be very growth-minded and see all mistakes or failures as opportunities to learn, while others may feel much more hurt by small mistakes. This is just one insight into your relationship, but there are many more to learn. Here are 15 of them. Number 1. Get ready for a lot of ups and downs. As mentioned above, entrepreneurs tend to change their minds and reactions rather often, sometimes making it difficult for the person they are dating to stay in the loop. If it's not related to the business, it may be related to your relationship. They tend to feel things very intensely and can change their mind or perspective of the relationship quickly, which can be overwhelming for some. For example, you may end up having a fantastic first date and feel like you really hit it off, but they may also realize during the date that they don't really have the time or energy to date at that specific moment. This is why with entrepreneurs, it's important to be ready for more rock and roll than with other kinds of partners. This is also affected by age, however, so do not be surprised if your early 20s partner is even more all over the place.